Flipro has been one of our passion projects, if you like. We've been in property and finance for the last 17 odd years. We've developed over 150 odd projects, including large scale subdivisions to small end renovations. And what we've found is that there seems to be a common denominator in regards to where people run into trouble. Now, if you actually want to take it back, when did Flipro even become a thought about anything? I think you'd have to take it back to the 90s, when I was in my 20s, early 20s, and my mother had employed some tradespeople to fix up renovations. And what I noticed is that my poor mum, she didn't know how to get the right people on board. She really didn't know what she was doing, and she was taken advantage of by a number of different tradespeople. It's not that they were bad people or anything like that. It's just that, they were a little bit unprofessional in some of their practices. For instance, we had one guy that was fixing the shower, and he basically pushed a hole through the bathroom, and he fell through to the kitchen and said, "Oh, well, I think there's going to be a workplace injury compensation claim unless I'm paid some additional funds." Mum paid cash a lot of the time, didn't use contracts, and she ended up, in a nutshell, paying a lot more for projects than what she should have. Now, if she had have had the services of someone like us to engage the right trades, use the right contracts, have the right strategies in place, there would have been a lot of stress that was saved, a lot of dollars that were saved, and a much better result that was as part of the outcome. I mean, that's the very, very early beginnings of what I would call the whole Flipro genesis, if you like. But really, where the whole thing is born is, there is a much bigger picture to the problems that need to be solved in this renovation space. The amount of people that are suffering because of lack of premium finance conditions for their particular stage in life, whether they're self-employed, pensioners, cash flow is an issue, equity levels are an issue. There's a whole range of people out there, there's a whole group of people out there that really can benefit from somebody like us, that the banks and the institutions should be saying yes to, rather than they're saying no. So we're here to help them. We're here to help the people that don't know how to put the projects together properly. We're here to help the people that don't know how to get the best and highest sale price for their property, and we're here to make sure they implement the right strategies.